Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to introduce you to our brand new common rail fuel injection lineup. Thoroughbred Diesel has been offering you a VP44 pumps for a number of years, and the common rail market is something that we've wanted to get into for a very long time, and now we're here. We are now offering you common rail injectors for your 2001 to 2010 Chevrolet Duramax truck, and also your 2003 Dodge all the way to current model year with Cummins with 5.9 and the 6.7 liter. These are fully remanufactured injectors, remanufactured to all Bosch standards. They are run on all Bosch equipment, so these are very quality products. These are stock horsepower remanufactured replacements. Again, we are offering you our 1-year warranty, which is known as our Classic Series, and then we're also offering our 2-year warranty injectors, which is known as our Select Series. Now, with this, we're also going to be offering CP3 pumps for the Duramaxes all the way to 10, from 1 to 10, and then we're going to be offering CP3 pumps as of right now for the 03 to 07 5.9 trucks. A lot of pride in this. It's been a long time coming for us, and very good product. You're going to be very happy with the price point and the quality of the injector that you're going to be purchasing from us. Each injector that you're going to get that's Thoroughbred Diesel is going to have our logo laser etched on it. The part number is also going to be there. If it is a truck that is the IQ codes are necessary, like a 6.7 truck or some of your Duramaxes, those IQ codes are going to be etched on the bodies as well. So when you do your installation, you just plug those in, you get a good smooth running motor. Very good quality product, and very proud to bring it to you. So if you have a question about any of our common rail offerings, please give us a call. We'll be glad to answer any of your questions, and we've got these in stock ready to ship them to you. Like and subscribe to our channel, and we appreciate you watching as always.